Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-learning classes. This is your science period. I hope you all are good. So, students, today we will continue with our revision work only. Yesterday we have done the revision of lesson 5 and I told you that I will take the revision test of lesson 6, that is food and health. So, all of you take out your science copies quickly, as you have to write this in your science copies. Alright, and students, you have to do the revision test by your own. No one is going to take the help of his or her brother, sister, mother, father, anyone. Alright, you have to do the revision test by your own, because until and unless you will not do it by your own, you will not going to learn it. Alright, so do it by your own. One thing more, students, I hope now your copies are checked, as you were informed that you all have to submit your copies in the school for the corrections. So I hope it is checked now. But still, if your copies are unchecked, if there was any pending work at that time, so you can submit it now also on 6th and 7th of October for the corrections in the school during 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Alright, so if your copies are still unchecked, you can go to the school and submit it for the corrections, so that it can be get checked, and if there is any correction required, it can be done. Alright, so now just be ready for your test, take out your copies. Alright, so let's start our work now. So students, let's start our revision test. First of all, write down today's date. Today is 6th 10th 2020. You will write the date on the right side of your page. Alright, so write down today's date, that is 6/10/2020. On the next line, write down the classwork and underline it with the help of your pencil and scale. Underline the classwork. On the next line, you will write the lesson number. So today we will take the revision test of lesson 6. So you will write lesson 6 revision test and underline it. Alright, now just start your test now. First of all, write down question number 1, that is fill in the blanks. So your first question is fill in the blanks. You will write this heading and underline it. So our first fill up is we should not eat dash food. It is a type of food that we should not eat. So you have to write what type of food we should not eat. Alright, we have discussed this during our explanation and exercises. So number 2, eggs and dash are body building foods. So eggs and one thing more. You have to write the name of one thing more, which is bodybuilding food. You have to write the one more example here. So egg and dash are body building food. Number 3, we should not dash while eating. It is something that we should not do while eating. Alright. Number 4, we need food to live and dash. We need food to live. No one can live without food. So we need food to live and dash. You have to write one more appropriate answer here. Alright. So these are the 4 fill-ups that you will do in fill in the blanks. Now let's move to the question number 2. Your question number 2 is write true / false for the following statements. Your question number is 2 is true or false. You have to write the true in front of the correct statement and false in front of the incorrect statement. Alright. So our first true and false is we should drink plenty of water. Should we drink plenty of water or not? So whether this statement is correct or incorrect. So you have to write if true if it is correct statement and false if it is incorrect statement here in the space given. Alright. Now let's move to the second one. We should rinse our mouth after every meal. So whether this statement is correct or incorrect. So you have to write your answer accordingly. Alright. Number 3. We should eat food in dirty plates. Should we eat food in dirty plates or clean plates? So you have to write true if it is correct statement and false if it is incorrect statement. Number 4. Bodybuilding foods build our bones and muscles. Bodybuilding food builds our bones and muscles. Is it true or false? Alright, if it is true, write. If it is correct statement, write true. If it is incorrect statement, write false. Alright, so these are the 4 true and false that you are going to do in question number 2. Alright, let's move to the question number 3. Your question number 3 is answer the following questions. You will write question number 3. Answer the following questions. Alright, you will write the heading and underline it. Your first question is which food items prevent us from falling ill? So which food item prevent us from falling ill? You have to write the answer here. Alright. Number 2. Write down 2 examples of energy giving food. You have to give 2 examples of energy giving food. There are many examples given in your books. So you have to write any 2 examples of energy giving food. Alright. So these are the 2 question answers that you are going to do in question number 3. Answer the following questions. Alright. So there are 3 questions. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 2, write true false for the following statements. And question number 3, answer the following questions. Students, you have to write the questions also during examination and during your revision test. Alright, so let's start our homework now. Let's see what is there in our homework. Learn lesson 7 for revision tests. Your homework is learn lesson 7 for revision tests. You have to learn lesson 7 for the revision test, which today we have done the revision of lesson 6. So tomorrow we will do the revision of lesson 7. So be prepared for that. Alright. So I hope things are clear to you all. So students, that's all in this video. If you have any confusion regarding revision test or anything, you can ask me during your class. Alright. So all the best. Do well. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.